level. That's ticker Sandy Papa India.
Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com.
Smart ticker CLSK.
Let me lower that a little bit.
Company out with the press release and it will embassy contract.
Alrighty guys, so first things first, House passes a spending bill. Markets are up about 200 points, looking good. The news out on Tesla, so the reason why we're seeing Tesla have a little bit of a flop this morning, shares are higher than where they were this morning. They were below 300. But what happened here is Tesla announced deliveries are going to be up about 30 to 40%. But the problem is that they are expecting less profitability. You know, they're going to be making their own battery cells, which is going to reduce the cost of the cars. And they're expecting to have a full self-driving car for $25,000 within 3 years. But the reason why shares are flopping a little bit here is the news that profitability on these cars are not high. So that's the reason why you're seeing Tesla pull back a little bit here. The other news, Nike had stellar earnings. Huge beat, both top and bottom lines. Nike shares over $130 a share. We're going to be keeping an eye on Nike, see if we can make a trade on that. Let me just send out this invite link here in the trade room. So, okay, there we go. That was sent. So what we're going to be looking for, guys, is take a look at FedEx now. FedEx was looking good. Let's see if that's still on the climb here in pre-market hours. 244.66. Got up above almost 246 here in the pre-market hours. Looking good on FedEx. Nike is still popping. Wish I made a trade on Nike earnings yesterday, but that was a pretty risky trade going into earnings. Let's see what else is climbing here. Johnson & Johnson's up over 2%. Groupon's up about 1%. We have FedEx up over 0.5%. Facebook's up 0.5%. Let's take a look at Facebook shares, see if we see anything good on that. See, the thing with Facebook, you can't jump into anything of these just yet. You got to wait for it to break that resistance. Resistance is going to be at 260 on Facebook. Not doing anything with that yet. Let's see what else. Chipotle's on a tear. Chipotle's climbing nicely here, getting back up to right around 1250. See if it could break that yellow 10 SMA here. If it does, we could be looking at a $1,300 target. Snapchat's looking great, holding above $25 a share. That's where our max net gains are on our 24-25 vertical spread we have. I expect the markets to continue to climb and look good. Let's see, Tommy World says check out Carvana. Carvana not doing too much here this morning. Down about a 0.8%, down about $1.82. Not doing too much. Yesterday we were talking about that with Dr. Gutman here. So we were talking about how it was failing to break above that that resistance area right here. So we're going to keep an eye on that. And hold on one second. Okay, there we go. So we'll keep an eye on that. If that fails at that 230 resistance and continues to head lower there, that's something we can buy some puts on and look for that retracement back to about 210. But for now, American Express got downgraded, which was crazy, you know, especially with the economy picking up. Look at American Express shares dropping almost 3% here. So they got downgraded by Bank of America down to, let's see, down here, AXP. They were downgraded from 106 a share down to $96 a share. So big drop there in price. Big drop. So that got right down to that 96. Bank of America maintains buy on Deere. They raised the price target to 241. We could check out DE. Markets are open here, guys. We'll give it a bit here to start trading.
DI6, Diana Shipping announcing sale of Capesize dry bulk vessel to the MV Sedaris GS.
FedEx shares are looking good. Let's change that to today 1 minute. Above 245. Let me bring up the trade challenge account on the other screen here. We can manage that. We'll make some trades in the trade challenge account. Grow that a bit. Microsoft's not doing too much, Charlotte.
Coming up this morning, 9
Not yet.
IPOs, including GDRX, GoodRx Holdings, 34.6 million, priced at $33. GDRX, LSF, Laird
Our
Superfood,
FedEx calls are already up 24%. Those are looking great there. I should have done the snap trade in the trade challenge account as well.
$22.
FedEx is still on the climb. I expect to see that at 250 by next week.
Million priced at $17.
Love that setup on FedEx. Might even see it there this week. Dow's up about 119 points. Nasdaq's down about 22. S&P's up 3. Give the markets a little bit of time here. Let's take a look at the news down here, see if there's any type of momentum coming from the newswire here we could trade. So Bank of America Securities maintains a buy on UPS. They raised their price target to 183, which is great for our FedEx trade there. That's going to have that continue to run there. Let's take a look at UPS. UPS is on the climb here, up about 1%, 1.04%. FedEx is continuing to climb here, making new highs of the day. Nice breakout on FedEx. Our FedEx Trade Challenge trade is now up 30% gains on the FedEx Trade Challenge trade. That's really nice there. UPS still continuing to climb. So UPS is going to have some resistance right around that 165. So that's what we got to be looking at there with UPS. 165. She should easily get up there. Just had a nice upgrade. Let's take a look. Tommy World on YouTube says, what about Rocket RKT? Guys in the trade room, if you have any questions, let me know. Rocket's climbing up about 2%. So the news is out that mortgage demand is up 25% from a year ago. That was breaking news this morning. So that's why you're seeing these mortgage companies on the rise here. There is Rocket Mortgage, RKT. I'll be trading that if it breaks above that 2260, 2270 area. Let's see on the watch list. Macy's is taking off here, guys. Macy's today 1 minute chart. Look at Macy's continue to go. I think this is a nice swing trade for our trade challenge account, to be honest with you. Let's take a look at the option chain for Macy's. And guys, I just want you to be aware, today is class day. We're going to be having a class after market hours today. You guys all have emails, and I'm letting you guys know that right now. If it's not in your inbox, it's in your promotion inbox, because that's Constant Contact sends it out there. So check your promotion, check your spam. You could register for the class and save your seat there. So make sure you check that out. You'll get notifications if you do it properly of when we are live.
Dave, if I'm not mistaken, there's also a button on the trade room now that they can.
There's a button on the trade room now for the class?
Yes.
Nice. I didn't even know that. Let me see. Where is that button at?
It's at the top.
The top. And it's all set up and everything's good to go with it?
Yeah, then you go right to the event to register from there.
Sign up for, where would that be at?
Live trade room.
$9.94, now it's $1.90.
In the trade room?
Yeah.
4%.
Okay, so live trade room. Oh, there we go. That's beautiful. So guys, I didn't even know that was there. They did a great job, the team. So here's the class sign up button right on the trade room here. So if you guys want to sign up for tonight's class, just click that and it'll reserve your spot and it'll send you a notification when class starts. Looking good. Let's see what else is going on here. Let me look at the heat map. Well, guys, our FedEx trade's now up 40% on the trade challenge account. FedEx is on a run. Love it. If you're not in that, you still have plenty of time. She's on a climb. She's looking good. You know that 250 is going to be an easy target. Look at that climb on FedEx. Looking good. We're up 45% now on our FedEx trade.
Fed's Mester says U.S. economy is still in a deep hole. Says U.S. has lost about 6 years worth of growth in terms of economic output and employment. Fiscal support will be needed very much for recovery. That's from the Fed's Mester.
Nice climb on FedEx. Guys, FedEx trades up 50%. I'm going to close it out. 50% gain for the trade challenge account is a good one. She's at 247.47 right now. Closing that out. $7.45. I like that, guys. That's a trade challenge account. John, take it easy on that orange soda. That's not good for sugar.
LUV, Southwest CEO says
I know, I like it too.
over coronavirus disease.
One of my favorite. Oh, it's diet. That's good. We missed you, John. Thanks for all your help, too, over the past week. Alrighty, guys. So we just locked in about a 50% gain on our FedEx trade. Great job, guys. Hell of a job. That's a trade challenge trade, locked in, locked and loaded. We were in that. What price did we pay for FedEx yesterday? Do you remember? $485. I just closed out E-Trade on the trade challenge. What did I just say I closed it for there? 745. 7.45. Divide that by 4.85. 54% gain we just closed out of our FedEx trade from yesterday.
Can you type that in so I can?
Oh yeah, post that on social media. Yeah, absolutely.
And so I can send it to in the text.
Look at UPS going. I want to get a trade on UPS now.
There'll be alerts.
Good morning, Ray Janice. I was talking to you the other day and the phone died. Sorry about that, Ray. Good conversation, though. Ephraim, the app alert, send that out. Trade challenge, trade close on FedEx for 54% return.
I got the trade alerts today.
Yes. Great. FedEx is still going. I want to do a trade on UPS. So they upgraded UPS. So see, now this is the rhythm, guys, we're going to get back into right now, okay? Let's find some good setups for the trade challenge account, grow that trade challenge account, and make some nice profits. If we keep locking in 50, 70, 100% returns on that every day or every other day, that's going to grow really quickly. So I'm glad to be back, and let's keep kicking butt here. I think I'm going to make a trade on UPS, to be honest with you. 183 target on UPS. I think we got to do it. Roku hit 200. Let's see. Oh, Dr. Gutman. Remember he was here. He's like, let's get some puts on Roku. I says, Roku's one of those ones that got momentum. I would not do that. He closed his long Roku out, or his puts on Roku, so that was good. Glad you did that, Doc. Good morning, Tyler. Good morning, Pierre. Pierre just closed his FedEx trade for a 60% return on the trade challenge account. Great job.
Coming up, the manufacturing PMI for September, 53.1 expected. That's at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time.
Oracle's a great trade there. Salam. FedEx is still on the climb there. Let's see, 3-month daily. Do I want to go with FedEx and make a second trade on that and trade it up to 255? Or do I want to make a trade on UPS and trade that up to where I think it's easily going to be 170 target? I think UPS. Let's do UPS. Trade challenge account, options. We're going to make a trade right now in the trade challenge account on UPS. Putting that in now in the system. UPS call. I'm going to go out a little bit further, though, with that. I'll do the October 16th expo. Let's say 165. It's going for about $4.70. Man, I'd really rather do a spread on that, but I don't have the level 3 on the trade challenge account, so I'll just go with, let's see, October 2nd. Let's see what October 2nd. It's only an extra $1 more to go with the October 16th. So I think I'll do that. Limit 4.6. I think you got 2 contracts on it. Preview. Call 165. October. Let's see. View. Order. All right. We have an execution, guys. So here was the execution in the trade challenge account right here. It was executed. This is the trade challenge trade. So I will share this with you guys.
At 93.40 up $1.79. Posting on the SAM.gov website for the Department of Defense, a contract of $34 million that's moved up to us.
All right, so new trade is posted in the trade room. We got a UPS, United Postal Service. We picked up the October 16th 165 call. Our target, 170 to 175 per share. Stop. We'll ever stop at 160. And we're going to have a trailing stop. So this is what's really important, guys. Remember, trailing stop. As this continues to climb here on that upgrade, we're going to keep this a trailing stop. So it's going to trail on that 10. So as this continues to climb, that 10 is going to continue to climb. So, maybe by the end of the week, it might be a 162 stop. So make sure you're aware of that. Facebook shares are climbing up over 1%, 1.17% for the day at 258 just about. I love that UPS trade. That's going to be another paycheck. Another one. It feels so good to be back, like the past 2 weeks I've been, inside, been worrying about all my health issues, but now that that's pretty much cleared up, we're going to kick some butt. Let's see. Major U.S. indices are trading higher for the session following strong earnings from Nike and vaccine developments from Johnson & Johnson, as well as Trump indicating the U.S. would not go into another shutdown. Conversely, the NASDAQ is down for the session amid tech weakness. There's no tech weakness there, buddy. That's just Tesla pulling back a little bit there. Tesla's down 5%. That's why you're seeing that pullback in the markets. And NASDAQ's only down about 18 points. Dow's up 148. UPS is still on the climb, guys. Look at today 1 minute chart on UPS. She's still breaking higher, looking good. Let me see what the trade challenge trade's doing here. Already up 2% on that trade. Looking good. Let's see. I still have that darn Microsoft for October 16th in the trade challenge account. That's down about 90%. I want to do something with that. There goes UPS taking off again. Another nice climb on UPS. Big breakout, 164.50. We're now up 4% on the new UPS trade. Let me go down here and add that down there. And look at UPS go. That is going to rocket higher. We're up 7% now on the UPS trade. %9 on UPS. Quick $100 on the UPS trade in the trade challenge account. 10% gain UPS. %12 gain on UPS. That is looking great. I love that. Look at that climb. Look at that take off. I'd love to see that up like 5% today. That'd be amazing if she got to 170 today. Wow, look at it, still running. Let's see. Charlotte says Piton's taking off. P-T-O-N. Peloton's nice, Charlotte. What'd you do? Did you buy that on that breakout off that 20? Right here on the 17th?
Powell coming up at 10 a.m.
Powell's coming up at 10 a.m. So
Inventories, they drew up 2.325 million expected. Distillates have built at
UPS still on the climb, looking good. UPS has some good opportunities. She just had a big upgrade. A big upgrade on UPS. And remember, too, why do you think they upgraded it? We've been talking about this for a couple of weeks. Holiday cyclical trends coming up here. So keep an eye on that. Tesla shares are still falling. Nike shares are up about 9%. Nvidia went from red to green. American Airlines shares up 2.2%. Apple shares are now green. Baidu's in the green. Bookings in the green. Citigroup financials are doing great. There goes UPS again. Another big run on UPS. Charlotte's up 400% on the Peloton trade. So she followed the trade plan, she said. She said she got that right off that bounce off that 20 SMA, and now you see what happens. She said she's up 400%. Charlotte, hell of a job with that. Great job, Charlotte. Amazing. Wow, look at UPS go, guys. Wow. Let me see. Refresh. 20% gain on UPS new trade. Quick $200 on that new UPS trade. Let that get up to about 170. We'll take some profits, you know. UPS had an upgrade, Tyler, to 180 a share. So we took our profits from our FedEx trade, got into UPS, and looking good. Looking good. I don't know why this Roku isn't working with CNBC on it. Something seems a little off there. Timmy, are you new with us? I've never seen that name in the trade room before. Any thoughts on LSF, Laird Superfood IPO? Have not heard of them. Let's take a look. Guys, UPS, if you're not in it, she's still in breakout momentum. Looking great there. Let me see LSF. So didn't have its IPO yet, not out yet. Timmy joined us last week. Welcome aboard, Timmy. Welcome aboard. Let's see here. UPS is looking fantastic.
UTC to Caldio, popping here $2.63 for that Tango.
Timmy, if you're watching that LSF IPO, let me know when it goes public there. Let's see what Nike's doing. See if we can make a trade on Nike. Markets are pulling back a little bit from their highs. Guys, I just had a $150 profit on UPS. I'm closing that out now, 510. It's at 525 right now, actually. I'm going to close that out. I want to keep making these trades. We could build up profits in the trade challenge account. We've got another $150 gain on that. We just closed out about $400 already on the FedEx and the UPS trade.
Selling Michael Golf, 1250, $2 now.
All right, so there's 2 trades we just closed, guys, for another nice win. Do you need me to send you anything there for that?
If you could, yes.
Okay. Perfect.
Oh, Ethan put something in there, that's fine.
Well, I'm going to show you this, though. So this is the trade challenge account here. Let me go to transactions. That might be... I don't know if a cash account, it takes like a day or something for it to show. Orders. Let's see. Executed orders. Here we go. Let's see. And now it's really important. That thing there, that's the trade challenge account. So now see that second picture I just sent you on Facebook with the execution? You could see there that it shows the, that's from the E-Trade. It shows you the price executed. So when you see that it says buy to open, that's the price we paid. Sell to close, that's the price we sold it at. So you see the FedEx, how we were in at 485, we sold it for 720. So 7.2, divide that by 4.85. That was, let me see here. Why did it close at 720? I thought we had 745. 7.2, divide that by 4.85. So that was a 49% gain on that. And then the UPS 5.1, divide that by 4.6. That was a quick 11% gain. So the 2 trades we just closed out. Now what we're going to do is I want to grow the trade challenge account. A lot of the members signed up for trade challenge, and we're going to make that a challenge. Look at the message we just got in our inbox here from one of our new members, Eddie. He said, did you see that message?
No.
He says, oh my God, I just made $1,000 on FedEx. Thank you so much. You are so awesome.
Nice.
Thank you, Eddie. I appreciate that.
Here we go. CMU holding at 1266.50, spiking. Getting some attention on social media.
Look at that, guys. This is our BCA inbox. Eddie, you are amazing. Thank you. He says, OMG, made $1,000 on FedEx. You are awesome. Yeah. Let me know what you do on the UPS there trade, Eddie. And guys, just a reminder, those of you that are just coming on now, remember right here, breakingchartalerts.com, if you're going to sign up for our class tonight, click right here. If you click on that, I don't know what it does. I haven't clicked on it yet, so let me do it with you guys. Oh, nice. Wow, that is nicely done. We got to take off my home address, though. It's got my freaking home address here. I hate that. People are gonna be showing up at my house asking me for classes.
So they wouldn't have known that was your home address if you just announced it.
Well, if they do a search, they're gonna see. Yeah. This is nice though. This is really nice. And I don't know whose number that is there either. We got to get that 954 number off. Looks great though. I love that. So guys, just put in your email address and and sign up, and you'll be set to go. Wow, they even got a mobile view there. That's pretty cool. And then guys, you could add it to your calendar as well. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. There goes Nike. I should do a swing trade on Nike here. Trade it back up to that 131. Love the dance, John. Keep it going. Let's see. What else do we got climbing here? Peloton's looking good. Charlotte's up 400% on that. That's amazing.
BLNK, Blink charging, probably November Kilo.
Blink. That lawyer in the next office here, he told me
November 12th.
he's got a lot of Blink.
We have 4,000 contracts on BLNK, probably November Kilo. Blink at $1.50 now, sitting higher, down about 5.5% BLNK. Ted Powell received testimony from Tuesday and before the House Select Subcommittee on Coronavirus Crisis.
Looking good. Charlotte, I would lock that in. Let's see. I would lock it in, and then if you're still bullish, you get a further out of the money strike call for next week's expo. I'm telling you, those 500% gains, one little pullback there, and you're down to 200% gain, and then you're gonna be kicking yourself in the butt for not locking it. And that 500% gain is an amazing return there, Charlotte. Great job. Compass Point upgrades Bank United to buy, raises price target from 22 to 24. What's it at now? 27? 22.
And not on allocation. That's TTOO, Tango Tango Oscar Oscar, tweet now from
Let's see what Blink's doing.
Tango Tango Oscar Oscar. They're spiking to $1.32 on tweet from the company.
That's why we locked in profits, Ray. Let's see, what's UPS doing since we sold? Oh, look at that pullback on UPS since we sold. What a great time there. Nice timing. Guys on YouTube, take a look at this.
BSY, Bravo Sandy Yankee.
So Peloton, with our trade plan, came down to 80 at the 20. Charlotte just locked in 500% gain there. I hope she did. 500% gain on that Peloton trade. So you see 500% gain from 80 to 98. That's the beauty of the trade plan. That bounce off support there, you take advantage of that climb off support, and you could have massive returns like that. I'm not sure what expo she had. If she had this week, she probably had this week's expiration. But great job on that, Charlotte. Proud of you. You needed that. Let's see. Yeah, Powell's speaking at what, 10 or 10:30? She locked it in. Nice job, Charlotte. And then she has another one for October Expo. I'd keep the October Expo one open because you know what's going to happen during the pandemic. People aren't going to be going out as people get sick. Honestly, though, things are going down. Even Dr. Gutman was saying, that, things are way down. He even said, he had it, but he said it was just like the sniffles. Looking at the watch list, market's pulling back a little bit, so now it's time to be patient, be disciplined, wait for the setups. If the markets start climbing again, we'll take a look, we'll make some trades. If we start really breaking down, we'll buy some puts. Sit back, wait for those trade setups. That's most important. I know sometimes it sucks just sitting here and watching, but that's what's really important here. Nice job, Charlotte. Charlotte just closed Peloton for 600% gain. Nice job. Way to go, Charlotte. Waiting for Microsoft to climb here, Steve. Waiting for it to climb. Had to pull back with the general market. From now until October 16th, still some time. I want to see it break that 210, 215. If she breaks that 215, I'll probably be adding to Microsoft. Otherwise, if she starts breaking below that 10 again, probably get rid of it. Charlotte, here's some news on Peloton. Peloton Interactive shares are trading higher after Amazon clarified that it is not affiliated with the Echelon Smart Bike, a Peloton competitor. Echelon had previously announced a Prime bike and suggested it was in collaboration with Amazon, which weighed on Peloton shares yesterday. And I think Charlotte follows the trade plan pretty well, right, Charlotte? I think Peloton's going to continue to run there, Charlotte. I'd keep that October 1 open.
DISH Dish Sling TV launched a new feature in beta, Sling Watch Party.
Nice job on that, Charlotte. Really proud of you. UPS is starting to climb again. I might re-enter UPS here. Take a look at that nice climb now. If I could trade that for another $2 climb here today, if we take a look at UPS. UPS October 16th, 165 strike has a delta of 0.482. So 0.482, multiply that by 2, that'd be an increase of 96 cents. So if that increased by 96 cents, it's at 460 now. Look at UPS go. I should jump into UPS now. I might do that. I think I'm gonna make another trade on UPS now. So you gotta take advantage. When we talk about the market shifting there intraday, you know, if you took profits there, now you could re-enter into UPS again, capture another quick 15%. Why wouldn't you do that? It's better than hanging on to it, you know, waiting a few weeks. Excuse me. So let's see, trading options. If that breaks at 164.50, I'm going to re-enter UPS.
Shares up 350% at the high now on SPI Energy.
Waiting for UPS to break this candle right here. If she breaks above that 164.50 area, I'm probably going to enter. See, the only thing that's worrying me is the Dow's almost red now. So the stocks that are going to continue to climb are the stocks that got some momentum. The ones that were upgraded, downgraded, or any type of news. General market, stay away from general market shares there that have no news. Right now is the time. Wow, look at CMG up almost 3% now. $12.70 a share.
GDRX, GoodRx now indicating 47.50 on 216,000.
Good RX. There you go. LCF share IPO'd earlier at $22. Let's see LSF. Still nothing out on that. Where is the Good RX, GDRX? Nothing out yet. Shares indicated $50. IPO price $33. We gotta take our company public. Snap is still continuing to climb, looking good. Look at Snapchat. Wow. Steven, you could lock in profits, but me personally, I think we're gonna see it at 26. So, you know, it's close. We entered this trade when she was around $24, so she climbed almost $2 since entering. So Snapchat, hey, if you want to lock in profits, I'm all for it. Lock them in, Steven. Nothing wrong with locking in profits. Let's see. Red Lotus on YouTube says, Dave, CMG is considering a stock split. That was the catalyst for this big move. If Chipotle has a stock split, that thing's gonna rocket too. For me, I used to trade Chipotle back when it was like $300 a share. You know, way back here in 2018. But man, $1,300 a share for a freaking burrito, you know, to me that's an insane value. The only good thing about Chipotle, they have no debt. That's one of the companies on the market that's literally got no debt. Everything's paid off with Chipotle. So that's why stock price is climbing so much. Chipotle has no debt. Let's see, SPH. Suburban Propane. Let's see what the options activity looks like. SPH, Suburban Propane. Not one I've traded, but we could certainly look at it. I'd obviously go with at least the November 20th expo. How is it up north? Those of you that are up north, is it getting cold yet? Is it still warm? Guys, I'm making another trade here on man, NASDAQ's down 100 points. UPS is on the climb here. Take a look at UPS quick. I want to make a trade on UPS. Today, 1 minute. She's starting to climb. Just had the SMA cluster here. I'm going to get that ready. Alrighty, guys, I am in a second UPS trade. Trade challenge trade. I'm in at 473 a contract. 2 contracts in the trade challenge account. And there you go. It's posted in the trade room. That is a trade challenge trade, guys. 473 execution. And she's taking off now again. Already up 3% on it. That's one that you could trade up to. If you're just looking for a day trade on it and you wanted to trade it for this week's expo, you'd be trading up to about 165.50. That one though is for the October 16th expo. Gonna hold on to that. I already up 30 bucks on it in the trade challenge account there. That's not bad. I was thinking, what do you think? So, man, I don't know. I was thinking about maybe either trading the trade challenge trade account in the morning and then the main account in the afternoon, or vice versa. What do you guys think about that? Nike's absolutely flat. Walmart's on the climb still. Take a look at the 3-month daily. Walmart's still chugging along there. Man, I was really thinking about getting into Walmart here. I like that setup on Walmart. Ooh, UPS is still on the climb. Let's see. Daniel Huang on YouTube says check out Twitter. I'm thinking about honestly making a nicer trade on Walmart here. I really like that setup on Walmart. Think easy 142.50, 145. There goes UPS again. I already got a 4% gain on the new UPS trade. Quick 50 bucks. Let's see here. Walmart's looking like a nice setup here. I really want to jump into Walmart. Thinking about doing that. If she breaks that 139.20 here on it today, 1 minute, think I'm going to jump in. Let's see, Twitter. 3-month daily. Wow, what a move on Twitter. Guys, Snapchat's almost at 26 bucks now. What a move on Snapchat. Doc, remember when you were here yesterday? I was telling you that 26 resistance on Snapchat. I was saying even doing a 25, 26 out of the money vertical spread. He's like, how do you, why do you think it's going to go up there? How do you think that? Well, that's resistance, and it's got momentum here into the election. So, nice move. You see, it's across the board here. Snapchat, Twitter, all social media platforms are starting to climb. Twitter's looking great. 1020 crosses coming up. MACD's already crossed. This is something you want to go 6 months out for. Those of you that have taken a class from me, remember when I said you got a new cycle forming? 1020 cross, MACD. This is something you go out 6 months for. You're getting right up to resistance from back in September 2019, a year ago. 47.50, $48 should be an easy target on Twitter for November monthly expo. UPS is looking good. Let's see, Johnson and Johnson. Let's see if that's starting to climb a little bit there. 1020 cross just coming up. Good RX. I want to watch, see what that thing does. Still not out yet. Let's see Walmart. GWPH regulators approve GW Pharmaceuticals cannabis-based Epidiolex in Australia. Like, breaking news: Cindy McCain formally endorses Joe Biden. Twitter's still on the climb there. Thinking about doing something with Twitter, but if I did something with Twitter, it'd be something at least 3 months out till Expo. At least. Dow's now down 39 points. NASDAQ's down about 92. S&P's down 16.
Updates regarding the upgraded blade featuring a new monofocus camera that's been beautiful blue India.
Yesterday was Sophia's first day of school. They just sent me a picture of it's so cool. They have like, so it's only like $20 a month. They have cameras everywhere, so like you're able to see like, you know, a whole. Yeah, it looks like you're in mission control. You got like 30 screens you could search for your kid on. She's riding the bicycle right now. That's cool. They keep you updated. That's nice. Let's see down here. What else do we got going on? UPS pulling back a little bit from the highs. That darn Pinterest is still taking off. She's up another 4% today. PINS. That's one Paula used to trade quite a bit. Let me see. E-Trade, E-Trade, E-Trade. Are your computers over there working? My computer just stopped the internet.
Oh, I don't know, I'm not using connected at the moment, but it looks like I'm connected too.
The numbers are going here, but Can't type anything in. There's Snap.
That they see on the picture, you know.
No, why it's not working. Pull this one over, see if this works.
Relative to your report that thanks to the report earlier this morning that there were up to 6 neighborhoods in New York City.
What about 6 neighborhoods in New York City?
Pulling back now 32 and 88.
Futures are still pulling back. Love that Snapchat trade. Steve, did you end up locking in the profits on Snapchat?
QIWI, Kiwi getting up top here on some volume.
Yeah, we should put on Powell here, see what's going on with Powell.
GDRX, GoodRX now indicating $50 again. Delta Romeo X-ray.
There goes Facebook climbing off those lows. Let's see over here. There we go. UPS starting to climb again. Looking good. GDRX. Let's see if that opened up yet. GDRX. Nothing yet for GDRX. Tesla's just hanging around 400 bucks. The 395's been good support all day for it. There goes Snapchat taking off again. Look at that big climb on Snapchat. Pinterest, though. Take a look at Pinterest, guys. PINS. This is the one I wanted to look at. Stock's up 3.5% today. Guys, new highs on Snapchat for the day.
Fauci says, I expect to know whether or not there is a safe and effective vaccine by November or December.
Fauci just announces he expects to see if there's a safe vaccine by November.
NKLA, Nicola, talks with major energy firms on hydrogen refueling stations stalled due to controversy over short seller. Nicola has held talks with BP and others in hopes of striking deal on hydrogen refueling stations, according to Dow Jones sources. Nicola has denied wrongdoing as alleged in short seller report. That's NKLA, November Kilo Lima Alpha. Shares of Nicola getting a pop here on that headline from Dow Jones.
So Steven asked a good question. He said he did not sell his Snap yet. Steven, first off, what percentage are you up on the Snapchat trade right now?
Share is volatile here on volume now on NKLA.
So look at that. So almost 770,000 shares are already bought of the GoodRx IPO, right? At 50 bucks. There's 39 million right there the company just made just from today. Let alone, the previous buyers. There goes Snapchat still taking off. Stephen Powers says he's up 57% on Snapchat. So Steve, what I would do personally, what expiration do you have on Snap? I think she's gonna head now for that 26.50. I'd hold on to it for a little bit. 26.50 if you're up 57%. John, did you get in Snapchat? No. So Steve, you have the October 16th. I'd hold on to that to 2650.
TSLA, Tesla. Electric tweeting out Tesla offers extra supercharging miles to help deliver cars in end of quarter push. That's TSLA, Tesla.
Let's take a look at Zoom. Look at Zoom go. Wow. Doc and I were talking about Zoom yesterday. Wish I picked up a trade on that. I think he wanted to short it though. I think that one's going to 600 bucks. I really do. Let's see. GE. DKS. Dix. Dix is looking pretty good at about 60. I'm not a fan of Dix though, because for me personally, I think if you're gonna get some sporting equipment, you know, you're gonna go to a better company than Dix. Where do you get your tennis stuff at? You get it like when you shop online or go to a store. Where do you usually get it at?
Like Dick's Sporting Goods, I guess.
You do, yeah.
An academy.
So they have your good stuff at Dix.
Yeah.
Kind
That's
of.
not-
Like
not
we
too
don't
much
get our
much.
we get our rackets and our clothes from our sponsor, but like if we were to buy stuff there, it would probably be those two.
Yeah.
Maybe academy has more though.
And
Like a
AKD,
tennis
Naked
store.
Brand Group,
Yeah.
getting a pop
Huh.
here.
Interesting.
Academy, I feel like has more like rackets and like you know like more apparel.
I love going to like either Gander Mountain or
I've never heard of it.
what's that other one? Bass Pro Shop,
Oh, yeah.
out
like
the
that's
Outdoor World.
Yeah, I love those, but they don't have the candy stuff.
No, they don't.
No, they only have outdoor stuff.
Let's see, BBY. Best Buy is looking good. That's looking really good. MACD starting to cross. Heading into the holiday season. Let's see, BBY.
What are you gonna do with the
November 20th Expo. If we picked up the 100 strike, we needed at about 125 to make a 100% return. We could do an in the money vertical spread though if you guys wanted to do a spread on Best Buy. I do like that setup. Let's see, Tyler S. Let's see. PR Dub Pierre says, Dave, I have November and September 25th on Expo. Should I close the September 20th? Absolutely, yes. Close the September 25th. I would do that. That expires in what? What's today? The 22nd or 23rd? It expires in 2 days. If you have one market pullback, that's going to take away all those profits there. I would absolutely. If you have this week's Expo, any type of gain you have, like I'm sure you have a decent gain on this week's Expo, Pierre, right? What type of gain do you have on the snap for September 25th Expo? 35%. I would lock that in. Charlotte, Piton is taking off. You still have the October Expo open on Piton, right?
BRQS.
Nice job, Charlotte. That really looks like it's ready to continue to run. I'd be looking, me personally, I think this is going to be at least at 110, 125 by the October Expo, Charlotte. Like I said, people are going to be, once it gets colder, people are going to be looking for something, you know. I don't think they're going to be going to gyms when the virus spreads, if it does. You know, flu season's going to worry people. You know how people worry a bit, so. Peloton should do well. And they announced a cheaper bike. I'd have 120, 125 as a target on that for the October Expo. And Pierre, yes, I would lock in that Snapchat. You got a 35% gain on that. I would lock that in, and then you could use the profits to fuel another trade going forward. Great job, Pierre. Pierre, you're new with us, right? Didn't you just sign up recently? PR Dub? How have you been doing since you signed up? I know I haven't been around the last week with some issues going on, but how have you been doing? Snapchat nearing that $26 again. Looking good.
NAKD naked brand this bike here, November Alpha Kilo Delta.
Good. I'm glad to hear you're doing well. He did say we have enough lithium in Nevada to electrify the whole U.S. fleet through sodium chloride. So what he's talking about, Charlotte, what Ray's talking about, the RSI, this is your relative strength index. So what you're looking at here is it's just like a chart. Look at where she usually gets up to before pulling back. 80 is usually 70 is high RSI, relative strength, but you know, with Peloton and the movement it has, usually it's been getting up to about 80, as you can see going back further here. So I'd be looking at that 80 before that pullback there. I mean, look at how far back, if you look at Peloton, it's been using that 80 RSI before pulling back there a little bit and then climbing again. But it's definitely one of those stocks that have momentum now going forward. Nice breakout there off that 20. It's been using the 20 the entire breakout here, as you can see, going way back to, what, May? April, May. Coming down to that 20, breaking out, 20, breaking out, 20, breaking out, 20, and now here's that next breakout.
Fed's Powell says corporate bond markets will effectively close the
I was looking at Zoomavilio.
open up those markets to make employment.
Doctor and I were talking about that yesterday when he was here at the office. Should have made a trade on that. Especially with everyone going back to school, more colleges, high schools. I mean, everyone's using Zoom. It's one of those momentum plays. On the next pullback, back down to that 10, that's when I'm going to be making a Zoom trade there.
FDA's Hahn says every decision over the past few months has been made by career FDA scientists based on science and data, not on politics.
UPS wants to start its rise again. Chipotle up almost $30. Unbelievable for a burrito. Let's see, what else is moving? Pinterest pulled back, only up 1.5% now. Snap is looking great, up 1.5%. Zynga's up 1.78%. Let's take a look at Zynga. Ooh, Zynga 3-month daily. That's looking like a heck of a setup here. It just had its MACD cross. 1020 cross is coming up. First candle above 1020 SMA. This is a nice one for a swing trade. This is probably a trade we'll make in the afternoon here. It's a really nice setup. Guys, I want to make sure you guys understand the class is going to be today. So one more time here. If you guys are not a member, first off, if you're not a member, it's going to look like this. If you want to go to our website, breakingchartalerts.com, come sign up. This is what the homepage is going to look like for you guys. Okay, if you want to join us, click join now. Pricing membership plans. You guys get to choose. The Pro Trader, Elite Pro Trader, these include the classes that we're doing. Elite Pro Traders gets the advanced classes. And they also get the text and everything else that we have to offer. Current positions analysis, trade plan, some one-on-ones with other Elite Pro members. And then once you sign in here, let me put my sign in because it's one of those passwords that shows you the password when you do it, which is silly. So once you put in your password here, log in. Now it's going to take you here. So first off, those of you that are new with us, a lot of people have been saying, how do I find the afternoon live trading video? So here you go to live trading, go down to live trade room. You guys won't see this. I'm the admin of this site, so you won't see all these other bars. But go to live trading, go to trade room. The live trade room is going to take you right here to our trade room. You guys want to sign up for our class, which is included in your membership, depending on membership level. Click here on class sign up. It'll take you to the page, fill in your information, click register. If you want to get our daily newsletters there with the pre-market and post-market videos, click that. Click yes, I would like to receive your newsletters. You'll get the pre-market video and the post-market video delivered right to your inbox. Okay? Now, click that to sign up for class. Now, the afternoon Zoom meeting is right here. Click here for Zoom meeting. This is going to be around 2 o'clock, 2:30. You click that, and that's going to take you right here, right to the Zoom session. And you'll be able to click once the Zoom session is started. Okay? Education. We're starting to build out. I told you guys that's what the girls are here for. We've been making these videos nonstop. Got a lot of videos being made and that are being edited down. Here's a beginner class for you guys that are totally new to trading. Novice traders. We got to get that up still. No, we got to do that. So there's a video here. She's going to get that up there right now. Intermediate traders right here. And then the live classes, the new classes weekly will be posted here as well. Okay, so a lot of classes already up there. The intermediate class is on hedging. That's a great class for you guys. And that education content, there's going to be many more videos in there this week. And then the trades, you guys could go to the trade alerts. And you'll be able to see all the trades that we made, all the trades that we closed. We just closed FedEx trade for 54%. Closed a UPS trade for an 11% gain. In our second UPS trade now, which is consolidating. And so that's how you find it. Now, Trade Challenge, if you just want to find the Trade Challenge trades, go to Trade Challenge. Right here, click on Trade Challenge. It'll show you the trades on the Trade Challenge. If you guys want to look at the morning reports, click on home, go to morning report videos, and right there you go. There's this morning's morning report video. Here's yesterday's. Here's the day before, you know. So there's the morning report videos. You go to home, go to market wrap-up videos. Every day when the market closes, I'm doing a post-market video for you guys. So click on market wrap-up videos, and you'll see right here. There's the market wrap-up videos. So great job on doing those. I'm really excited to keep putting out these videos for you guys. I hate when I always say good job. You know, I'm used to saying that to members. I feel bad. I feel like I'm saying it about myself. But live trading, live trade room, and I'm going to be in there now. We're going to be signing off now. It's 11 o'clock. We have class tonight. So make sure you register for that, because if you don't register for it and then you come in the trade room and asking, well, where's the link? I'm going to say, hey, you had to register for it. That's how these classes work. It's set up like that, because we have the different types of membership levels. So you have to make sure you register for those. Avilio, we did a great class on MACD and doing one today actually on RSI. So that will be done, and there'll be nice little lessons for you guys in the education suite as well on all. See these tools and indicators? Watch this. When you go to studies here and you go to all studies, I'm going to be making a video on every single one of these for you guys. That's what I'm going to be doing. It's going to be a short 5-10 minute video. I'm going to go over all these studies and indicators that you guys could use to help yourself trading. So that's what I've been doing, and that's what we're working on now. Every one of these we'll be doing some type of video on for you guys. There'll be little lessons for you guys. Zynga's still on the climb here. I love the looks of Zynga. That's probably one we're going to be trading in the afternoon here. But great job today, guys. We locked in 2 trades on the Trade Challenge account. Looking good. I look forward to the afternoon trade session and class today at 5 p.m., right?
5 p.m.
5 p.m. class tonight. So I will see you guys there, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll be in the trade room for now. I'm going to be working on finishing up the class here for today. And I will see you guys around 2:30ish. If anything happens in the market, we'll go live a little bit earlier. Alrighty, guys. Take care. God bless, and have a great day. And if you guys want to come join us on YouTube, just go to breakingchartalerts.com and come join us. Be great to have you with us. Take care, guys. Have a great day. God bless, and stay safe.